Spaceship launch, number 99999. Oh, I wanted this year.
Did you turn off the detonator?
What? What detonator?
Did you turn off the
You're messing up a video. Quiet down. Bad. Bad, bad. You're bad. You're very bad.
Did you turn off the detonator?
No, it's okay, Jackson. Come here. You want to?
Yeah, I gotta poke you. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
There you go. Ready? Can you push this
I poke you. Hi, Mama.
Haley, I found your ladybug.
Oh.
That's a different one, because the other one flew away like way. Do ladybugs bite?
No.
There's some ones that are like yellow that do, I heard.
Those aren't ladybugs.
Ladybugs eat, like, bugs that...
I got a ladybug.
I was thinking about buying some ladybugs for my tomato plant because there's something living on it. Maybe I'll just take this one with me.
Yeah, he loves you.
Well, I'll put it on the tomato plant so you can eat whatever's eating my tomato plants. You know what I haven't seen any of this year?
What?
Fireflies.
Yeah.
Me neither. Oh, what's this? I found a little thing.
Found a little thing. Yeah, they all died out.
The only place they are is like
It's
the
conspiracy. They're hiding it. I know. I haven't seen any. Oh, yeah. We've seen them. They're here. They're around. No, they're gone. Fireflies are gone.
Wait, I think they're where people don't use bug spray.
Anthony, he's about to lift off.
Oh, whoa, okay. It's been 1 minute. It's been 1 minute and 43 seconds. And this is the launch point.
Yeah.
Prepare for launch. And, well, what time is it? How much time until the launch?
About 30 seconds.
30, 29, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Whoa. Oh, that's now.
Yes, Street guy. What? Whose party?
A birthday
Hey, 10.
A girl's birthday party.
It's probably Maddie's birthday party.
10,
Oh, it's not. No, it was not Maddie's
10,
birthday party. Is this
9, 8,
Oh, wait.
7,
Oh, watch
3,
out!
2, 1.
Don't let him get burnt in.
What was that?
That was so close.
No.
Oh, that was awesome.
Wow.
Yeah,
You guys probably didn't see that, but that was an explosion.
No, that's not really.
Step on it, Anthony.
It's all
Step
together.
on it. Put it out. There you go. Step on it. Hold your foot down on it.
We definitely need more power rocket, man.
I told you. You did it! Did you do it? High five! That was
Last
awesome.
one.
Knuckle boom! Buddha. Hugs!
Okay. That was rocket number 2.
It's so much better.
Yeah.
when we get to see it. That was
Let's do
awesome.
it.
Did you see that big fucking ship take up
Subscribe.
the sky?
Yep. That way. That way. That way. That way.
Flew out this way.
I don't know. Just subscribe. See you later.